light from the left or from the right. Which way looks more charming? When directing light at the softbox, the impression will change depending on if the light is coming from the left or from the right. In this video, I will explain the differences in light direction including aiming the flash. This time, we'll be using the Godox 8200 flash attached to the Godox parabolic softbox. First, we'll photograph without the flash. It looks a bit orange because of the light bulbs in the pendant lights. The way the light is directed isn't very pretty either. Next, we try directing the light to the front of the softbox. It looks cool, but I feel like it doesn't match the brick set. Because of the light direction, it's flat and not three-dimensional. We try directing the light at the softbox from the left when looking from the camera. It looks three-dimensional, but the light is harsh and there are sharp shadows. It's a little too harsh. In the same way, direct the light to the softbox, this time aiming from the right. Because of the harsh light, the shadows are clear and sharp. And with the way the hair is flowing, the side that is lit has more volume, which makes the shadows from the hair show up on the face, and it doesn't look good. Therefore, we use lighting from the left, and to make the light softer, we try bouncing it from the wall. It has an atmospheric feel, and the light hitting the person looks soft and beautiful. With this lighting, you can take a cool photo even if you shoot from an angle. But in that case, please be sure to use a white reflector board. This time, we try photographing at an angle, using a white reflector board and directing the flash from the right. This looks good too. Try combining the light directions and quality of light however you like. What kind of lighting do you prefer?